it's time for another home workout. Let's go. The warm-up is 2 rounds of jumping and rotating your hips. Count to 30 doing so. Then 10 twist and reach side to side, as well as 20 fast jumping jacks. Workout 1 is as many rounds as possible in 6 minutes of 5 jab cross, 4 burpees, and 3 squats with extended arms above your head. Keep going with rounds of 5 jab cross, 4 burpees and 3 squats with extended arms overhead until 6 minutes are over. The second workout is as many rounds as possible in 6 minutes of 3 jab cross, hook, hook, uppercut and uppercut, as well as 5 lunges. Engage your core, the heel hits the floor first, press back into the heel to drive back. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And then 5 lunges. And for the core, let's do 3 sets of 3 of bicycles left and right and tuck-ups. I hope you had fun with today's workout. Stay safe, stay fit, and see you soon. 3, 2, 1, go!